When will the racism end? I just nearly got kicked out the MRM for pissing. Okay, the racism is so tough there. It needs a YouTube blast. It's so tough. Where are we going as a people? Backwards or forwards? After 25,000 years, we can't seem to get a grip on hate because of race. Okay? Let's know black on black. Racism in the family. Racism. Hate. We talking about hate. There's no reason to hate, as we always cry to the government for assistance. The government is tired of racism as well. Okay, we're not even mentioning God the Father, which is sick of it. That's why he continues to bring us judgment in any way, form, or fashion. Weather, disaster, death in your family, somehow he's trying to hurt you one way or another if you one of those that carry hate in your heart for no reason. Well, one day we may wake up, or we'll continue to suffer and die for the next 25,000 years. It's up to us as a people, but as an individual, let's try to knock down racism wherever it stands. Whether you're at a homeless shelter, or it's in your family, or it's among your friends, wherever you find such hatred, try to nip it in the bud. And those that still hating, don't get all confused and messed up when God brings judgment on you, or when things suddenly go wrong on you and you wondering why. Why? It's because of the hatred in your heart, as the rest of your ancestors have suffered and died from. So can we wake up as a people? I'm as far as the government is concerned, they really tired. They really want better. How can we ask the government for more assistance and we can't even love each other? Because of this racism. We can't get over racism, but we want all this money. Why? To add gasoline to the fire? It's just a quick shout out on racism, Let's think on it, We always want assistance. Give us, and you can't even love your brother, It's cold as hell in Milwaukee, and every second here at the MRM, the homeless shelter, they want to put folks out, But you still want assistance. You still want the government to help you out. The government should give you a slap in the face, You still can't love. And that goes to any employment, any family, any house, wherever you stand. If you can't get a hold of yourself and love, you need a slap in the face from the government. When you're talking about, give me a bailout, Let's wake up. If we're going to continue this way, we should be smart. There's so much love in the world, it is not funny. Love. I see so much love, I feel it as I go. I see it in the smile. I see it in the walk. I see it in the talk of other people. And this hate, wherever we find this hate, we need to shut it down, because it's too much love in the world to persist with hate. It's your boy giving you a shout out here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, your boy Miracle Obama, shouting out for the hate. Let's kill the hate, okay, amongst each other and wherever else we see it, and let love ring, as all of our great prophets and great people of the world want to see happen. Let love rule. It's your boy out. Let love rule. If not, you will get judgment from man of God. Better believe it. And you'll be another statistics and dead. Because our generation, we want love to rule. Let love rule. It's a word from the day, from the live video from your boy Miracle Obama out. Love. Let it rule. Yes.